How to use EndNote in 7 minutes. This video will give you a very fast start on using Thomson Reuters EndNote. It will show you 1. 2 ways to import a reference from an online database, using PubMed for my first example and ERIC from the U.S. Department of Education for the second example. 2. How to use Find Full Text to try to download the PDF for a reference. 3. How to insert a reference in a Word document. 4. How to format the bibliography using the APA style as an example. 5. How to add page numbers to a citation. The first method of importing is online search. In EndNote, click on the Online Search Mode button to the left of the Styles drop-down list. It will be the third button. Select the online database you want to search. There are thousands more available. These are just the most popular ones. Build your search. Click on the Search button to perform the search. Click on the OK button. Select the references you want in the list. Click on the Copy to Local Library button to the right of the Styles drop-down list to copy the selected references to your EndNote library. Click on the Local Library Mode button, the middle mode button, to see the contents of your EndNote library. The references you just copied are shown in the Temporary Copied References group. Another method of importing references is direct export. I am going to import a reference from ERIC as an example, but this method can be used with many other databases. I am using Mozilla Firefox for this example because it supports direct export on both the Windows and Macintosh platforms. Direct export will also work with Internet Explorer on Windows, but not with Safari on the Macintosh. Perform your search of the online database in your browser. Select the references you want to import. Different databases will have different ways of selecting references and preparing them for export. For ERIC, I must add them to the clipboard by clicking on the Add button for each reference. Now I go to the ERIC clipboard to begin my export. Click on the Export Citations button. This button may be called different things by different data providers, or even for ERIC from other providers. It may be a large button or possibly a hyperlink in very small text. It may be called different names, such as Direct Export, Export to Citation Manager, or Export to Bibliographic Software. I have seen many different names, so look for something that talks about exporting or importing references. If offered a choice of formats, select the one that mentions EndNote or Reference Manager. Click on the Download button. Again, this may be called different things by different databases. Firefox will ask if you want to open the file and what program you want to open it with. Select EndNote on either Macintosh or Windows. You can also select the ResearchSoft Direct Export Helper program on Windows if it is available. Click on the OK button. If the database is set up for direct export, the references will import right into EndNote. The new references are shown in the Imported References temporary group. To have EndNote try to find the PDF for a reference, select the record, then click on the Find Full Text button. Click on the OK button. If EndNote is able to find the PDF, you will see a paperclip icon appear by the reference. I now have new references in my library and can put them in a Word document. In Word, click where you want to put an EndNote citation. Then click on the Go to EndNote button in the EndNote tab on Word 2007 or 2010, or the EndNote toolbar in other versions of Word. Select the reference you want to insert. Click on the Insert Citation button. The reference is inserted into your paper and instantly formatted. To change the style to APA 6th edition, Select the Format Bibliography button on versions of Word with EndNote toolbars, or the tiny arrow in the bottom right corner of the bibliography group for Word 2007 or 2010. Select the style from the list of favorites. If your favorite style is not showing, you can use the Browse button to see more styles. Click on the OK button. To add pages to a citation, click on the citation, then click on the Edit and Manage Citations button. Your citation will be highlighted. Add page numbers to the Pages field, then click on the OK button. You now know two ways to import references, one way to put a reference in a Word document, and one way to add page numbers. EndNote can do a lot more than this. If you would like to learn more, we have video tutorials available on our training page at www.endnote.com/training and our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/endnotetraining. You can also register for free online classes on our training page at www.endnote.com/training.